Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can upload an activity to your account in this Strava application on Android. So let us begin. Alright, let me launch the Strava app, and what you want to do guys is here on the home screen, or tap into home in the bottom left, tap into that plus button here and select one of these options: post a post, post a photo, or a manual activity. So I will go for manual activity. Wait for a brief moment. And after that, guys, you may customize your activity. For example, you may give your run a title. If you have been running, for example, I don't know, 5 kilometers or 5 miles or 1 mile, title it here. Then you may select your category below. Tap into that drop-down menu and select, for example, a run, or for example bicycle, or one of these options here. For example, like walk, hike. You see foot sports, like one of these, trail run, and let me select run. And below guys, you may upload also photo or video, for example, as a proof of your activity, depicting you, for example, in your sportswear. And below guys, set your activity status, like today or tomorrow, and select one of these days in your calendar. And below also a time of the day. Simply tap into the given drop-down menu to select a time of the day. So let me set in this run to 6 p.m. in the evening. If you're using, for example, European time formats, or if you're using American AM, PM, you can change that in your settings. Then the length, the duration, and so on and so forth. You may tag your activity, how you felt about it, leave some private notes, add shoes to this, and set the visibility at the bottom. For example, the status of your activity to everyone, followers, or only you. And that's it. Confirm by tapping into save activity at the bottom. Now I can do this because I haven't added any title, so we need to do that first, of course. And after that, your activity will be posted on your profile so that it may appear in your followers home feed. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.